Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and also do not forget to turn on your post notifications so you will not miss a video of making these. So as you guys can see down below in today's title, I am doing a room tour. Finally, I know I have promised this a very long time ago, maybe like years ago, and my room is finally the way I want it. You guys know I love the pink and white, and that's what I decided to add to my room. I hope you guys are able to get some ideas. I will be listing some of the items that I do have, like if I do, because I do buy a lot of stuff from Amazon, so I'll let you guys know down below what I did get if I don't forget. There, let's get right into this video. So we took off the colchones and we found so much mess. Shoebox right there. Yeah. And me right there. Huh? Years since we moved in here. And I'm gonna move out in 2 years, so catch another vlog like this. To put or to take off?
To put and take off.
Ah. Bye. I've literally been looking for this brush for like over a year. Told you, you grabbed it. Nuh-uh. I've always told you this. Looking for that black brush like for over a year. It was under her bed.
Encontré calzones cagados. De todo. Oh yeah. Anything you could think of was under this bed.
No. Okay guys, so as soon as you walk in my room, I do have like a little fan right here. The reason why I have this fan, I don't know what it's called, I'm pretty sure it's a fan, it's because I don't have the one over there. So I do have a chandelier. I was about to say chandelier, but it's actually pronounced chandelier. So that's why I have this white, because it matches like everything in my room. Okay guys, so as you guys can see, some of my bags are not like in a like pretty place. I do have this for now because later on I'm going to be getting like some cute shelves, but that's going to be like in the next house because we are like planning to move. So I just do have my little bags right here, the ones that I don't really use. I did get this little hanger from Amazon, if you guys are wondering. So moving on to, I do not fart, I swear. So moving on over here, don't look at my toes, I do have my little trash can. I did get this from Walmart, I believe. Don't look inside. So over here to my vanity, a lot of you guys asked where I do get it. I did get my desk from IKEA. My mom actually bought it for me for my 15th birthday, I believe. She does have a video on it. My mirror vanity, I did get it from Drea Vanities, Dream Vanities, I'm pretty sure it's called. Then I do have like my little wipes right here just because I always need them. All these little makeup containers, I think that's what they're called. I did get them from Amazon. I tried to keep everything like in a pretty neat place. So I do have like my little watches right here, and then some hand sanitizer, some perfumes, little bracelets, and that's pretty much it, and some bobby pins up here. And then these makeup brushes, I just really don't use them. I just like to have them there just so they can look cute. And then I have more makeup brushes here. I really love this little makeup brush container. I do have all my little lipsticks right here. I do have a lot, so that's why I had to put them all over here. And then I just have extra makeup here, foundations, and I just keep my makeup all over there. Okay guys, so right here is where I keep all my makeup, and don't mind my nails guys, I have not done them. Foundations, mascaras, powders, and I just have like a little mess over there. And then on the second drawer, I do have all my lashes. There are just some of them. I do have a lot more in like a little bag. So right here on my third drawer, I do have like all my skincare, all my hair care, my brushes, and just makeup wipes and all that. Then the fourth drawer, I do have like all my eyeshadow palettes, some mirrors, just little stuff like that. Then the last one, I have one of my little ponytail wigs, super cute, and just like more hair stuff. Okay guys, so right next to my vanity, I do have these little cute shelves. I did have some glasses right here, but someone came to steal them. But these are like basically one of my favorite glasses. I don't really use these. Well, these are new. For the ones that follow me on Instagram, you know, I asked you guys if I should buy them. You guys said yes. They look super cute. I did get this little plant when it's a little fake plant. I did get it when my mom surprised me with my desk from IKEA. And I guess this came with it, the little piece. Then I did buy this on Amazon. I think I bought 2 of them. I don't know how much it was, but I'll probably try to find it and link it down below because they're super cute. Then I do have this Gucci bag that my mom gifted me, a Louis bag that I bought. Then over here I have my little candy bag. I always need candy near me, and that's why I could never sleep. But over here I do have some little makeup bags that I always have to use when I travel. So yeah, that's basically it for my little shelf. Super cute. I think my sister bought this little shelf on Amazon. I do not know how much, but I will try to look for it so you guys can get it as well. And then I do have a little mirror over here. I just keep it over here for like when my cousins or tias come over and they want to do their makeup. They have a little mirror as well. Obviously they can go with those, but just in case I have extra people here, there's a mirror, and this used to be my favorite mirror, but it doesn't really go with like my room anymore, so I swear, huh? Then over here I have like a little free space. This used to be like full of what, like more shelves like this, or a jewelry shelf, but I didn't really like it no more, so I do want to buy like a little chair right here.
Inquire brushing.
Thanks, really appreciate it. You're gonna get a bonus.
Oh.
But over here I do have my bed, which takes up like the whole room, guys. It is a queen, and I think I messed up on buying it so big because it's only me, obviously. And over here you do have like my little bears. This was gifted from a friend, and then this, and then this, and these were like from Jonathan. I did buy this bed. Is from Z Gallery, I believe it is. Even the blanket, the pillows, and then some of the pillows. But why would you mess up the rug? And I don't know, I forgot where I got the rug from, but I'm pretty sure it's from Amazon. I think I get everything from Amazon, like Amazon sponsor me. Then over here I do have a picture of me and my toxico. I'm just kidding, this is my boyfriend, for those who don't know. I do have this little bear that was gifted to me from a friend. It says I'm 20% done, period. Then over here I do have a plaque of 100k subscribers. Thank you guys so much for that. And over here I do have a camera. That's my parents. So let's roll it. Then if you guys are wondering where this is from, it is from Z Gallery. I tried to pair it with like the color of my bed. I did get this bed like way before this. I think I bought this like a couple months ago. But yeah, super beautiful. So if you guys are wondering what's inside, let me show you guys. So the first one, I do have a bunch of mess. This is like stuff that I don't really know where to put. Like some of my camera stuff, which is tripod, some masks, chargers, another phone para el Sancho, just, you know, stuff like that. We don't need to go in there. But then over here on my second one, I do have like sports bra, bikinis, the shorts I sleep with, and some fajitas. And on the third one, I do have my bras and my underwear and just socks and just that kind of stuff. Yes, I did organize this before showing you guys because it was a complete mess. Embarrassing, huh? But moving on to this mirror, this is kind of the same one but longer. Basically just turn it on when I'm like dressing and all that, like me puedo ver muy bien aquí. Okay guys, so I was kind of shy to let you guys in my closet because I'm so bad at keeping my clothes like neat and all that. I'm just very lazy. But do not show them up there. But I do have like a cochinero in here. You guys cannot see the other side because I just have all the extra stuff in there, like the freaking platos that my parents have been looking for like for years. But I do have like my going out pretty clothes hanged, and like my sleeping and just chill outfits just right there, bien folded pero not hanged. Then on this little rack I do have like all my shoes. If you guys are wondering where all my heels at, because you guys know I love heels, well some of you guys do, I do have them like in those little boxes over there. I do have like a lot of makeup and just heels and sandals in there. I will be hitting you guys with a little montage of like certain things in my room, so I hope you guys really enjoy that. And I'll get back to you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I'm honestly so happy that I finally got to film this video for you guys. I know a lot of you guys have been waiting. I actually felt very bad because I'm always posting on TikTok and I do see a lot of comments of you guys asking for a room tour, so I finally decided to do it after months or years probably. This obviously isn't like 100% what I really wanted. I actually like would love to have all my purses like very pretty on a rack, but there's not a lot of space, as you guys like saw. So a lot of you guys know, finally we've been keeping this a secret for a very long time. My parents are having a new baby, a new me, a new Aguilar. You guys are wondering how I feel. I'm actually super happy, super blessed, and since we're feeling super blessed, I want to give one of you guys $100. So all you guys have to do is comment something very nice about me, and I will be picking it for my next video, I believe. Not sure, pretty sure. Yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll be back with more videos.